Today we explain how to buy shares of Sunworks Inc. using a standard online broker. Sunworks is a solar systems company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker SUNWQ, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy SUNWQ, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your identity with an ID document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SUNWQ to locate Sunworks Inc. Make sure you select the matching NASDAQ listing to confirm it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to familiarize yourself with the listing. Confirm the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker SUNWQ before moving on. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, choose Order Type and Review Fees, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market or limit order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade, the position will appear in your portfolio and reflect your current holdings. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.